Alright, we want to prove that this matrix is invertible, and to find its inverse, well, if we find its inverse, then we know it's invertible, so we're just going to do that. Well, actually, we're going to prove it's invertible by finding its determinant and then use that to determine the inverse. So 1, 0, minus 3, 4, 1, minus 6, 1, here. It's going to be A. Determinant of A is, let's see here, we're going to expand down this column here. We'll have 1 times the determinant of, so here we get 1 minus 6 minus 8, this matrix, plus, okay, then 0 times this, which you don't do anything, so then we're going to get minus 3 times the determinant of, let's see here, if you cancel this out, you get 4, 1, 1, minus 1. Okay, and what's this? This is 1 times, okay, we can get rid of that. Negative 8. Minus is minus, then minus 3 times negative 4 minus 1. So that's minus 14 plus 12 plus 3, and that's 1, which is not 0. So A is invertible with inverse, and using facts from the book, we know that A inverse is the adjoint of A times the inverse of the determinant, and hey, the determinant's 1, so its inverse is 1, so it's just adjoint A, which remember is just A1, 1. Now for the adjoint matrix, you do the cofactors, but you flip them. So instead of like A1, 2 here, it's A2, 1, because that's just how it goes. It's just from basic linear algebra. Even though this isn't super basic stuff, but you learn it in a basic algebra class, so I guess that makes it basic. 1, I'm just going to do all the calculations. 0 plus 3. This is the cofactors, the minus 1s, and the 1s are because you take minus 1 and raise it to the power of the sum of the two indices. So anyways, we get this, plus 3, minus 6 plus 12. And of course here, every time what I'm doing is like minus 6 plus 12, where did that come from? A2, 3. So we look at the 2, 3 entry here, which is 4, and then we take out this, when we take out this, no, 2, 3 entry. I don't know what I was doing. So yeah, and then you do the determinant of this, which is minus 6 minus 12, which is minus 6 plus 12. So yeah, and so if you do that a whole bunch of times, you get minus 4 minus 1. And I did check this answer online, so I know there's not, if there are any issues that I made here, they magically disappear somehow. So let's see, we get minus 14, 3, 3, 26, minus 5, minus 6, minus 5, 1, 1. And so there you go. That's how you find the inverse of A. And there you go. We're done.